Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best travel lotion is probably one of the most essential items for any traveler who wants to maintain soft and hydrated skin on the go. Whether you're jet-setting across the globe or simply heading out for a weekend getaway, having a reliable travel-sized body lotion can make all the difference in keeping your skin feeling its best. In this video, we'll dive into some top picks and help you find the perfect travel companion for your skin. Number 5. Aveeno Stress Relief Lavender Scent Body Lotion. Introducing Aveeno Stress Relief Moisturizing Body Lotion. It's designed to help you relax while providing your skin with long-lasting moisture. This lotion is perfect for daily use. The calming scent of lavender helps soothe your senses. Massage it into your skin to unwind and feel relaxed. It's a great way to end your day. This unique formula includes oatmeal and prebiotic oat. They work together to soothe and moisturize your skin. This non-greasy lotion keeps your skin soft all day. Apply this lotion after bathing or before bed. You can also use it anytime you want to relax. It locks in moisture, leaving your skin feeling smooth. From a dermatologist-recommended brand for over 70 years, this lotion is formulated for sensitive skin. The bottle is also made with recycled plastic, showing the brand's commitment to the environment. What we like. This lotion is designed to help you unwind. The calming lavender scent and the soothing oatmeal will help you relax. If you're looking for a way to de-stress after a long day, this is the perfect choice. It will leave you feeling calm and your skin feeling soft. What people say. This lotion absorbs quickly and leaves the skin feeling soft without any greasy residue. The lavender scent is soothing and perfect for winding down after a long day. The oatmeal formula provides lasting hydration and helps calm sensitive skin. The Stress Relief Lavender Scent Body Lotion delivers a calm, relaxing experience with a soft aroma that is not overpowering. The lavender scent helps create a soothing atmosphere, especially at night, and the lightweight texture absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky finish. After using it consistently, I noticed my skin felt smoother and more hydrated, and the gentle scent made my evening routine feel more comforting. Overall, it is a solid option for anyone looking for a simple, calming lotion that supports relaxation and daily moisture care. Wonderful lotion. Not greasy, smells lovely. Stays on, moisturizing the skin for many hours. Number 4. NIVEA Shea Nourish Lotion, 6-pack. Introducing a lotion designed to provide lasting hydration. This product, enriched with hyaluronic acid and shea butter, offers up to 48 hours of deep, nourishing moisture for your skin. The formula is designed to make your skin feel incredibly smooth. With each use, it delivers healthy-looking skin, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. This moisturizing lotion absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It's perfect for daily use, ensuring your skin stays hydrated and comfortable throughout the day. This shea butter lotion has been dermatologically tested. You can trust that it is gentle and compatible with your skin, providing the care it deserves. Each bottle is perfectly sized for travel. Easily tuck it into your purse or backpack, or add it to your travel toiletries for on-the-go use. This pack includes 6 2.5 fluid ounce bottles of the NIVEA Shea Nourish Body Lotion. It's the perfect way to keep your skin moisturized, wherever you go. What we like. This lotion provides long-lasting hydration. Its non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling smooth. If you are always on the go, this travel-size lotion is perfect for keeping your skin moisturized wherever you are. You can easily slip it into your bag. What people say. The lotion is very moisturizing and absorbs quickly. This is a great travel size lotion. It is perfect for travel and fits easily in a purse or carry-on. Number 3. FAB Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration. Introducing a luxurious moisturizer that provides intense hydration for both your face and body. This fast-absorbing cream has a light, whipped texture. It leaves your skin feeling comfortable and hydrated all day long. This formula is clinically proven to strengthen your skin's barrier in just 7 days. It's made with colloidal oatmeal, which helps treat dry and distressed skin. It also speeds up skin renewal. If you suffer from eczema, this product can provide relief. It's designed to soothe and hydrate, making your skin feel smooth and comfortable. You'll notice a difference after just one use. Whether you have sensitive or dry skin, this moisturizer is for you. It's clinically proven to immediately improve skin hydration. It will leave your skin feeling smooth, hydrated, and comfortable. This product is free from alcohol, artificial colorants, and fragrances. It's also vegan, gluten-free, and nut-free. It's safe for sensitive skin and comes in recyclable packaging. What we like. This cream offers intense hydration and helps repair your skin's barrier. It's designed to soothe and comfort even the most sensitive skin. If you have dry, flaky skin or eczema, this product is a great option. It will leave your skin feeling hydrated and healthy. What people say. The lotion is very moisturizing and absorbs quickly. This is a great travel size lotion. It's perfect for throwing in your purse or travel bag. Number 2. NIVEA Essentially Enriched Lotion, Pack of 6. Are you tired of dry, uncomfortable skin? This lotion provides 72 hours of deep, nourishing moisture. It will leave your skin feeling noticeably soft and smooth. This lotion is enriched with hyaluronic acid, almond oil, and a deep nourishing serum. These ingredients work together to provide intense hydration and care for your skin. This non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, delivering healthy-looking skin with every application. It's designed to give you a radiant and refreshed feeling. The lotion is dermatologically tested for skin compatibility. You can use it as a hand or foot lotion, knowing it's gentle and effective. The bottle is the perfect size for travel. You can easily tuck it in your purse or backpack. It's also great for your travel-sized toiletries. This pack includes 6 2.5 fluid ounce bottles. It's the new look and formula of the NIVEA Essentially Enriched Body Lotion, providing long-lasting moisture. What we like. This lotion provides intense, long-lasting moisture. The formula is specifically designed for very dry skin, offering 72 hours of hydration. If you struggle with dry skin, this lotion is a great choice. It will leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. What people say. Small, convenient, good product. These little sizes are great for keeping in your gym bag or purse. They're half the size of a water bottle, so they're very convenient for traveling. It is very moisturizing, leaving my skin feeling good for at least a whole day. Number 1. Aveeno Skin Relief Moisturizing Lotion. Are you struggling with dry, sensitive skin? This lotion is designed to provide fast-absorbing relief. It's formulated to soothe and heal your skin. This lotion features a unique blend of triple oat and shea butter. This formula works to moisturize and protect your skin, providing long-lasting hydration. Experience 72-hour moisture with this fragrance-free formula. It's gentle enough for daily use and helps reduce signs of skin sensitivity. This lotion is non-comedogenic and allergy tested, making it suitable for sensitive skin. It is free of fragrances, parabens, and dyes. From Aveeno, a leader in oat science and a dermatologist-recommended brand for over 70 years. Apply it daily to keep your skin moisturized and healthy. What we like. This lotion is fragrance-free and designed for sensitive skin. It provides long-lasting moisture and helps soothe irritation. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for a gentle, effective moisturizer, this is a great choice. It will leave your skin feeling comfortable and hydrated. What people say. The lotion is very moisturizing and absorbs quickly. This is a great travel size lotion. It is perfect for travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.